Okay, one more thing. Once you remove these, you'll come across that. Easy installation. Put that there. Get your new one. Slide it in there. Make sure that it's inside. It has to go in there. So, let's see if I can do it with one hand. Let's just say that this wasn't here, okay? So, for the sake of the video. Okay, so you lift this. I don't know if you guys seen what I did, but right there. So, lift that drawer. And then just, there you go. It goes inside. And that's it. You're ready. Oh, shoot. Okay. That's kind of hard to get it on video, but once you do that, you get the point. It's sometimes you need two people or just two hands, which I'm only using one, so it's a little hard. But basically, once it's in there, you screw it back together. Now, if you're gonna put this part, obviously you need your two hands. Put that in there, then put this one. You're good to go. All right. Thanks for watching.